spare bathroom, 2 vessel sinks, shower, has skylight, storage, nope, shower, lock pins on the top, lock pins to keep doors, shower, fairly good size. Let me go into the back, the door, go into the back bedroom. This is the bedroom, storage above. It's got the thermostat in the back to control the rear air conditioner. 43-inch TV, new TV, Samsung smart TV. Lots of storage. Wardrobe is right here. Storage underneath the bed. Bed lifts up. There's storage underneath the bed. Fuse panels down there. This is the half bath with the vessel sink, storage, toilet, storage up there. Here's the main control panel. Is that right? Focused. Has Arctic pack, water heater, electric or gas, the slides. It shows you the tanks, gray and black tank levels in the front. There's 2 gray and black tanks in the back, 2 in the front. There's a thermostat for the air conditioner and the heat. Here is the kitchen. New microwave. Got a gas stove and range. The range is under here. 3-burner range. We got a 47-inch curved screen Samsung, brand new. Got a compartment down here. You can put a washer and dryer combo. We just use it for storage. We don't have one in there. Pots and pans. You have a double door refrigerator. Gas and electric. Works great. Clean. Ready to roll. There's a pantry, sliding pantry here that pulls out. Pulls out. It goes back in when you travel. There's drawers down there for storage. The dinette drops down for another bed. Storage underneath the bed. Under here, storage. Storage. You got a 68-inch couch, brand new, with an airbed in it. You got storage above the dinette, lots of storage. That's 3/4 wall slide, I guess they call it. I don't know, it goes all the way back to back there, past the refrigerator. slides in and out. Here's the electric captain's chair, all electric, turns around. Passenger's chair turns around, it's not electric. There's the controls, the engine, the jacks, self-leveling jacks. Tilt, does have a brake system on it. Got a Euro recliner. And here's the sink and storage above it. I guess that's about all on the inside. We can go outside. Look at the outside. Here's controls for the, it's got boogie LED lights underneath the awning. And we're outside. Here's the outside of it. It's got a nice paint job, full body paint, 2017 tires, batteries, house batteries. Awnings in good shapes, covered, metal covered. The LEDs are right underneath there on the coach. It's got lots of storage underneath. Here's the back slide. Awning toppers are in good shape. Awning's in good shape. No outside damage. The back end of it. Here's the other side. Sorry about the trees. They're in the North Country. Good shape. Windows are good, no seals broken. This 3-panel window here was replaced last year, as well as also the passenger side one had a broken seal. I replaced the whole window. Front end of it. Ooh, almost fell down. Sorry. That's it.